Hi, we're in the drone shop today and we're going to be talking about drones, two in particular, and it's made by Parrot, and this is the boy here, Parrot, Bebop drone. It's a brilliant drone, flies very well, brilliant camera on it, great picture, easy to fly, and not too expensive. When these first came out, you'd pay nearly £900 for the drone and the controller. The controller is this big boy here. You have a strap to put around your neck, and the tablet will go in the middle, and you can fly up to nearly 2 miles on the location. Should lose it if you can, if you're not tied into your GPS system. We'll look into that later. But this is the first one. Go on here. Nice size, runs quite quiet, runs for about 15 minutes, and again it will go way up into the sky. Got a nice camera on the end, take some good footage. Batteries are quite expensive, they're about £30–40 each. And if you don't look after them, it will die on you. So you need to make sure when you put your drone away, it is maybe fully charged or half charged, but never put it away empty, or else the battery would just go dead and then you would have to replace it. I did lose one of these a few weeks ago. I didn't check my GPS system, it wasn't locked in, and it was a windy day, and she just flew into the distance, never to be seen again. If I did have the GPS system locked in and it did fly away, I could track it and find it with the hand control set. So bear in mind, always make sure your GPS is connected. In that case, if you do lose it, you could still find it with the GPS tracker, and not a problem. I did lose one in Ireland, but GPS was in, and I had to climb halfway up the mountain to get it back, but using the handset, I was able to track it down to within a few yards where it landed. Anyway, there's that one. Great to fly, great pictures. There's a smaller handset if you want to use, this is the Bebop 2 handset. It will work with the Bebop 1. Put your mobile phone on there. It will take a tablet as well. It will turn and twist, rotate. You got your levers, take off buttons, camera settings, video settings, adjust the camera, adjust everything, and that's a lot easier to handle than the big one, which I'll get out perhaps later. These are quite expensive, new, over £200, but you can pick them a whole lot cheaper on eBay. Again, you've got a direct aerial that will keep you in touch with your drone up to 2 kilometers. And if you do go beyond that, it should fly back automatically and return home. Maybe. Right, I'll move on to the Bebop 2. Bebop 2 doesn't look much bigger, but it packs a bigger battery. It will do nearly 25 minutes. It's secured a lot better than the original. Propellers are a little bit bigger. Still got that nice camera on the front, and superb pictures. I do find when flying the Bebop 2, it seems to be a lot more in control, more responsive, and you also have the follow me feature with this, so it will follow you around with your mobile phone. Just put it in your pocket and it will follow you as long as that mobile phone's in your pocket. Again, storage batteries, must make sure you keep them charged up when you put them away. Don't ever leave them flat, or else you'll lose them. Batteries, again, they're about 30 to 40 pounds each. Again, when these were new with the controller, it was almost £1,000, but on eBay you can probably pick them up a lot cheaper for a few £100. Many of them are sold as not working due to the battery problem, but look after your batteries and the drone will look after you. Right, we'll take it out later and give it a go. I will play around with the follow me feature, so if you see me acting a bit peculiar, walking left and right, jumping up and down, putting different faces, it's because I'm trying to get it to work for the first time. Okay, great drone, beautiful pictures. She will fly out of sight and you can fly her by the controller, and you can also fly her with a headset, just like this picture here. Headset on, your phone fits inside the headset, and you can just fly it with the headset, and you could be up in the clouds. Great drone, great value for money, easy to maintain.